পদ্মা যমুনা সুরমা নদী তটে আমার রাখাল মন গান গেয়ে যায় আমার রাখাল মন গান গেয়ে যায় এ আমার দেশ এ আমার প্রেম আনন্দ বেদনায় মিলন বিরহ সংকটে কত আনন্দ বেদনায় মিলন বিরহ সংকটে
Dr. Rashbihari Ghosh. I was formerly assistant professor of Jagannath University College, and I was a assistant professor of Manchester University in England. I was an expert in Liverpool BMSJ study, and then I was an assistant professor adjunct of Stanford University. And I was a senior technical scientist, California Environmental Protection Agency. And then I founded the International Institute of Bengal Basin in Berkeley, California, supported by 4 Nobel Prize winners. My first advisor is Linus Pauling, double Nobel laureate from Stanford, my ex-colleague. And second advisor is Glenn T. Seaborg, Nobel Prize in nuclear chemistry, advisor of 10 US presidents. All these details in the website. And who is also discoverer of 10 elements in the periodic table and is first chairman of the US Atomic Energy. And my current advisor is image discoverer, Nobel laureate Charles Towne physicist. Image, X-ray, photography, digital, that is his discovery. So he is our current advisor, and he has been advisor for the last 8 years. And Amartya Sen, economist who born in Dhaka, Rankin Street. He is also our strong supporter. The Bangladesh is located in a very unique situation, and all of these things starts with a small thing. And I think Shahana Khanum has planted the seed, inspiration, and guidance in my career of some of the achievements that I accomplished.
আমার নাম শাহানা তালুকদার। আমি এখানে ভ্যাকেশনে এসেছি। রাসবিহারী ঘোষ আমার ছোট ভাইয়ের মতো। ভালো লাগে যখন কোনো ছাত্রকে দেখি, কোনো সহকর্মীকে দেখি। ইট এক্সাইটস মি। নতুন প্রজন্মের কাছে আমাদের অনেক রকমের আশা। যদি আমাদের কোনো রকম গাইডেন্সের প্রয়োজনীয়তা তারা ফিল করে, জলের যেই প্রবলেম, ওয়াটার এস্টুরিয়ান ওয়াটারের ব্যাপারে বলেন, অন্য অন্য আরও যে কোনো রকম সমস্যার তো শেষ নাই এখানে।
Technical part I can explain. She was an ecologist, biologist, and I think she has done some work on fisheries, microbiology. So আমরা যে কাজটা করছি, use Bangladesh as an example and to use that as a model for the rest of the world. সেই কারণে পৃথিবী বিশ্ববিখ্যাত কয়েকজন সায়েন্টিস্ট আমাদের সঙ্গে জয়েন করেছে। আমি যাদের নাম বললাম, লাইনাস পোলিং, গ্ল্যান সিবর্গ, যারা এখন বেঁচে নাই, but it has started 25 years ago, and now it has taken a shape. We was the Bengal basin, West Bengal, Bangladesh, below Nepal, base of the Himalayan foot up to the Bay of Bengal, the highest peak of the planet, Himalayan mountain, to one of the lowest land of the Bay of Bengal. This area we want to use as a unique ecological niche and model. So if you can address the problems, inject the water into the ground and flash the toxics from the bottom and all drain into the Bay of Bengal, then it will provide a lot of water under the feet to avoid the political crisis between the Bengal and India. When I say Bengal, I mean West Bengal and Bangladesh, because it is the same basin, like a same river reservoirs. 2/3 of it is used by Bangladesh, 1/3 of it is used by West Bengal. As you see here on the surface, this lake, the similar water reservoirs under the feet, under the ground. We want that to be replenished, which has been damaged, destroyed, distracted. So the lot of water going over the surface, we are trying to inject between Nepal and India, West Bengal, and so they drained under the feet. So it will solve a lot of our water crisis, and arsenic will be flashed and diluted and come to the ocean. And so that is the way আমাদের মতো গরিব দেশের লোক প্রত্যেকে can use water free, because our per capita income is 75 cents or dollar a day. These people don't have resources to buy water. So that's what we're working. We made a lot of progress. Once we are successful, then we want to use this idea across the planet. And many learned scientists join with us. Bangladesh and India Water Treaty was signed in 2001, and I was one of the author. Abdul Razzaq was the water resources minister. That is the only water sharing treaty was done in a friendly way between the two countries. But the politics, water politics, is very complex. We need to work 2, 3, 4 countries together, because we are the major owner. Bangladesh are the major owner of the Bengal Basin, which is under the ground. Dhaka groundwater is completely exhausted. Still it is better than Calcutta groundwater. So Dhaka groundwater, Buriganga river is filthy, dying because of abuse and overuse and mistreatment of water. And this Buriganga is feeding the polluted water to the Buriganga underground, and people are drinking it. With no time, 10 to 20 years, most of the young women will be unfertile, or their children will be deformed. I'm telling all this based on toxicological analysis, my 20 years of study of Bengal Basin. I arranged 10 international conferences with my own resources, and at the last global warming meeting we did in West Bengal on the global warming and sea level rise. Bangladesh is a first target of sea level rise and global warming. We will be losing a lot of land, and all the richer countries are busy how to mitigate and protect their countries. They are not talking that because of the overuse of the environment and increase of the sea level rise and the toxic emission caused by the industrialized nations, and Bangladesh become the target and victim. So we need to fight for it.
What will be our contribution?
I think what you could do, you individually give a $500,000, 1 million, that's good. But what will be more important at this point, people like yourself, when I saw your Ekushe paper, I was pleasantly surprised, but at the same moment I was saddened when I know that some of you are publishing with your own resources, and with this media increasing the awareness is number one job now, to make us aware that our country is in real danger. We must protect our nation, the future of our children, future generation, to protect the water. There will be a crisis of water, there will be demand is increasing, population is increasing, supply is same, or the existing supply is getting worse and worse every day. But the water crisis, until we protect the watershed, until we replenish the river, clean the river, until we work together, take the advantage of the ice melting from the Himalayan basin, inject to the ground, and it will also help reduce the level of the flood, and to increase the navigational channel, increase the depth of the river valley, to reduce the intensity and the impact of the flood. But this cannot be possible only by Bangladesh scientists. 300 scientists from USA want to help us free. But if you all join and campaign, I think they will join more readily. I'm so grateful to all of you to give this opportunity, and I think we are not very far. Only problem is there is a conflict, mistrust and misunderstanding between the India government and Bangladesh government. That is the big hurdle. And I think Abdul Razzaq did a good work, the former minister, and he's still working, and he will be more than happy to join. We can rope up a lot of people together, so we can work together east and west, and it's not, a lot of Americans are willing to help us. So is some British, Australian, some Indian too. We need everyone. You are doing a wonderful job, and you have our support.
Thank you.
Thank you.
এই পদ্মা